Okay, so our first step to this whole process is to read our article for today. Our article for today, and you may have heard this before, is weather and climate. This says, when you hear the words weather and climate, you may think they are the same things. It may be rainy today or sunny today. Weather is what is happening in the atmosphere right now. In order to know what the weather will be like for the day, you would need to watch the weather forecast. The weather can change every day. The weather can change minute by minute. Climate is very different. Climate is the weather over a long period of time. The Earth's climate is driven by energy from the sun. The Earth is a sphere, so the sun reaches places on Earth differently. Warm air reaches the equator, which is an imaginary line where the sun's heat is the strongest. The North and South poles receive the least amount of heat. In a place where it snows often, that place is considered snowy. In places where it is dry most of the time, the climate is a desert climate. The difference between weather and climate is time. Weather is what happens over a short period of time. Climate is how the atmosphere behaves for a long period of time. Understanding the climate helps forecasters predict what the weather will be in the future.